Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Polk Audio Signa S2 Ultra Slim TV Soundbar. It was an excellent little soundbar that offered consistent and reliable performance on a fairly modest price. The low-profile Signa S2 Universal TV Soundbar delivers an incredible, room-filling home theater experience far beyond anything you get from your TV's small built-in speakers. Works with 4K and HD TVs so you can watch your favorite shows with exceptional contrast and clarity. Includes HDMI cable for quick and easy setup. Features Polk's patented voice adjust technology for clear dialogue and Dolby digital decoding for immersive, performance-tuned surround sound. Includes a wireless subwoofer for deep bass impact. Plus, stream your favorite music through Bluetooth directly from your smartphone, tablet or any other compatible device. With the included subwoofer, HDMI and optical cables quickly connect your TV to the soundbar. Get set up and listening in minutes. Number 2 in this best soundbar under $300 list is Bose TV Speaker Soundbar. Bose's TV speaker is a soundbar that delivers on features, but comes in a very small size. The soundbar is only 23.4 inches long, so it's a great choice if you're space constrained. This soundbar has an HDMI input, optical audio input, and 3.5mm aux input, so you have a handful of connectivity options. It also supports Bluetooth, so you can wirelessly stream audio to it from your devices. A single connection to the TV with an optical audio cable which is included or HDMI cable which is sold separately has you unboxed and ready in minutes. And with HDMI SEC technology, the Bose TV speaker will automatically turn on when your TV does and respond to your current TV remote for volume changes. Designed with simplicity in mind, the Bose TV speaker is a small soundbar that clarifies speech and is a simple fix for better TV sound. This TV speaker is designed to specifically focus on clarifying and elevating vocals and pronunciation. This small soundbar is just over 2 inches tall for easy placement in front of your TV or mounted to a wall. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Jason, and I've been demonstrating how Bose products work for almost 20 years. I'm also a musician, so I really care about sound. And I'm thrilled to have you experience our soundbars right here, right now, with the help of 3D audio. For this demo, make sure you put on some good quality headphones, like these.
At the end of their long journey, our colony of penguin chicks have reached the ocean. They've heroed the edge, waiting for the right moment, anticipating the dangers that await. Until finally, one of them jumps, which inspires the others to follow. A clumsy cascade of juvenile penguins falling into the sea, fulfilling their destiny. This leap of faith behind them, the next leg of their journey begins. A 5 to 6 year stay at sea before returning to their original colony to start the life cycle all over again.
Our third choice is TCL Alto Home Theater Soundbar. TCL's Alto is a great entry-level choice that has many must-have features, and will sound better than the speakers that are inside your TV. This soundbar has Dolby digital decoding, which means it creates clear, room-filling simulated surround sound, but doesn't come with a subwoofer. Dolby digital decoding maximizes sound clarity and creates incredible room-filling virtual surround sound. You can use your Bluetooth-enabled device to wirelessly stream music on your soundbar. Enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and music with enhanced sound quality. Specialized sound modes bring movies, music, and TV to life. With HDMI, USB, optical, or Bluetooth connections, you can go from unboxing to listening in minutes. It also supports Bluetooth, so you can wirelessly stream audio to it from your mobile devices. If you're looking for a simple stereo sound bar to improve your home theater setup, the Alto 6 2.0 has you covered. Fourth pick in this best soundbar under $300 list is JBL Bar Channel Soundbar. The soundbar is slim and wide, which is probably the best option for this type of unit. As for the woofer, substantial as it is, it doesn't take a heavy toll on your free space. And it looks so good. Designed with a slimmer profile, the full-featured, easy-to-use JBL Bar 2.1 features Dolby Digital, JBL surround sound, 300-watt system power, and a wireless 6.5-inch subwoofer to provide balanced sound and deep bass for your movies, music, and even video games. It is also Bluetooth enabled for convenient wireless connections. Further enhanced with JBL Sound Shift, which allows you to instantly switch between sound from your TV and sound from your mobile phone or tablet. You can moreover control the soundbar with your existing TV remote control. Our fifth and last choice is Klipsch RSB Bluetooth Soundbar. Klipsch RSB 3 somehow manages the contemporary streamlined soundbar design with the retro-looking elements. The built-in Dolby audio decoder formats all your Dolby content to provide a detailed, powerful cinema experience. Works great with all Bluetooth-enabled smartphones, tablets, and computers, allowing you to play music direct from your device. The integrated 2.5-inch oval subwoofer means that the RSB3 doesn't require a large ugly box to sit on your floor. The woofer is integrated into the soundbar, giving you full-range audio from the single device. The RSB3 virtual surround sound provides a home theater-like experience without the need for any additional speakers. It's the simplest way to turn your TV into a home theater, while still getting the quality performance that Klipsch is known for. Allows you to place the soundbar on a tabletop or mount it to the wall.